What's got here? So it's about 8 minutes until race 1. Looks like you're working hard. What are we doing here? Watching the NBA, okay.
The NBA.
And what's here? Can you run me through what this is?
So this is my my prep for the day.
What are you basing that
I
on?
try and use every account that I've got once or twice.
Okay.
And then obviously the ones with a bit more sustainability or ones that I think I can get away with, I might have to use 3 times.
And you're basing that off the promo list that comes out on a Saturday morning?
Yeah. I usually just get it up. I'll start here and then I'll run through. I'll do my Eagle Farm.
Yep.
And then I'll go to my Randwick.
Yep.
And then I'll go to my Flemington.
Yep.
And then I will write how many times I've used every bookie on the right.
Yeah, sick. With your promo list, like when you've planned this, how long does that take you in the morning?
That probably takes me about no more than 10 minutes.
And how much time do you reckon that saves you on a Saturday? Like, so when the tips come out, they're about to come out for Randwick Race 1.
Heaps. So like I've already got my mint and my Ned set up on the races.
So you're like ready to go to place the
go.
bets. And those are the ones that you've written down here. So you've got mint and Ned's Race 1 and you've got the apps ready to go.
Yeah, and
you've got the tipping channel here. Alright, so there's the tipping channel, first race. We've got a unit on Shangri-La Express. Big boy placed the bet. Nice.
Sweet.
So that's taken you all of about 14 seconds.
Yeah.
Plenty of time. And there are no more tips. So that's race 1. Easy as you like. What are you doing here?
Asking into the Discord about the mint bet, getting the text for 2nd and 3rd back, but then not having the MVP on mint bet, seeing if anyone else has also got a similar problem.
So the Discord, for people that might not be aware, so all the members are in the Discord, right? And people are sharing where they're getting promos, where they're not, how they get them activated. Should they ask people stuff on the chat? Do they get bonuses here? Do they get bonuses there? It's a handy tool. This is what, the spreadsheet?
Yeah, this is spreadsheet. So I've already pre-filled in my Neds and Sports bet. It's going to potentially be $50 units.
Yeah.
And then I'll
And can you pull up the promo list so people can see like the actual promo list in the tipping channel, so they know how many units are going to get outlaid today?
So we're looking at Flemington Race 2, so we know it's white, which is 2.
Correct. Nice. And that's what a promo list looks like. So you're just like ready, like, so if another tip comes through, you can just hammer that on.
Yeah. So yeah, that's already
half
there.
a unit.
No, just go.
Here's Larry. Manus, the great man. How long have you been a member? So you're a Platinum Squad and a System member.
Yeah.
How long have you been a member for?
Since February last year.
Okay. And what's the rough profit figure, like ballpark?
Around 11k.
Okay, nice. And you had a month or so off, holiday, break.
So, December, January. Took off.
Nice.
And then also during the year, like I wasn't following every Saturday, so there was probably a few Saturdays out there where I left.
And when the Saturdays that you are following, is this what we're doing today, like a standard Saturday, or are you sometimes out and about? Like, what does it normally look like?
Usually I'm at home.
Yep.
Sometimes I'm out and about, like I've been to the pub and stuff like that, and I'll still tip then.
Yeah.
It's just about prepping it, so getting my sheet and making sure I know which bookies I'm going to be putting on.
We've got a couple of bonuses from the first couple of races.
Yeah.
How do you convert those into risk-free profit? Like, what's the process for you normally?
So I just jump on, see what race is next on. I'll try and do it in between races.
Yeah.
Just so it looks like, and I usually try and do it actually like the next race or two, so it looks like I've punted. And then
makes sense.
Use my bonus straight away because it was there.
By the end of the race day, will you have all your bonuses turned over?
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, sick.
Yeah.
And that saves you obviously a shit ton of time.
Yeah, like there's nothing more annoying than having to turn them over on a Sunday.
What would you be averaging approximately bonus turnover, do you reckon? Like mid-70s?
Yeah, 74%.
Yeah, nice.
So,
let's fucking fill up. So what have you done there? You've just had a $50 cash bet on Yuri Royale, and then you've laid it at $2.36.
Yeah.
That is called efficiency. And what's the purpose of that? Why are you doing that? You're going to lose money doing that.
I'm doing it for sustainability.
Nice. What does that mean?
I want to make it look like I'm not just promo abusing, essentially.
Yep. So to mint bet, they think you're punting this.
Yeah.
But in reality, you've laid it. So regardless of the result, you're going to lose $1 or so. But ultimately, that's a way in which you can get lots of bets that aren't on promotional markets on your accounts to look like that you're just a genuine mug on a Saturday.
Yeah.
You've done that super well, mate. Very impressed. What happened with that non-promo bet that you just placed?
So I just placed that and it lost, which is perfect. And then that was
why is that? So someone watching this, why is that perfect? You just placed a bet, should I say, in quotations, and you lost. Why is that good?
Because essentially I've laid it on Betfair for a loss of only $2.50.
Yep.
Yeah.
So the money's out of MintBet, gone, lost. MintBet think you're a loser.
Yeah.
But ultimately the money's just ended up in your Betfair account.
Yeah, 100%. So
Yeah,
that's
nice.
exactly what's happened.
How much time do you reckon you spend during the week doing non-promo bets on sport?
If I was to do all these 20 accounts using two-way Dutching, I'll be able to do it in about 40 minutes. I could get 2 to 3 actual bets on.
Yeah, okay.
On every account.
Fuck yeah, efficient as.
Yeah.